buddy.
Perfect timing too.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the second video. Unfortunately, I did lose that competition, so as promised, the video with me on the boat, which I know which he has come up with a pretty good idea, where at the by putting a piece of wood up at the front for the tripod, and it works pretty good.
This is my new Gammo pellet gun. So what we're basically going to be doing in this video is, I just bought a new anchor and rod holders for the boat. So we're testing out the anchor, which it works fine. It's a 10-pound anchor. And yeah, it's doing fine. It's holding us here. We're in the drainage pond right by my house, so it's really small. But
where we did the casting net video at.
But there's about like 500 freaking broad-banded water snakes in here. And there's people's dogs down here and all the time and stuff. So I'd hate for something like that to get bit. Which they don't really bother us, but I come down here and put the boat in every now and then. And I'd hate for there's anything to happen. So, and for me too, I've seen moccasins down here, but it's been a long time since I have. So basically in this video, we're just gonna try to take out a couple snakes that we see up on the bank. Normally they're way more active at night, so if I have to, I'll come back and film it on Steven's brother's phone.
Because for some reason his phone won't send videos to me for some reason, so, which definitely would make things that he wants to do quite a bit easier. Because for example, he can fish and then go out hunting without me, and then simply just to send me the videos.
Turtle right there. Should I snipe a turtle?
What turtle? I don't see a turtle.
Right in front of the boat.
Oh.
He went under. I was about to clip him. No, I'm just kidding. I wasn't going to kill him. I don't want to kill a little turtle like that. There's about an 80-pound soft shell turtle that lives in here, and if I catch him moving around, I'll take him out and take him out.
Of course, we do have a paddle, just because the motor stops for some reason.
Got a trolling motor, 12-volt battery. Alright, so we'll get back to you if we spot a snake.
Yep. So, which for us might take like an hour, but for y'all, it'll just be a... So, and we are back. We haven't found a single snake yet, but he has found a frog.
There's a bunch of frogs, but just so we don't let you down, just in case, I'm going to see if we can snipe this frog real quick. I'm going to go back, because I don't have iron sights on my gun currently. So I'm going to back up, and I'm going to snipe it.
I don't even know I didn't see. I honestly didn't see the frog.
Look at a tadpole going across the surface.
But there is a tadpole.
Big old tadpole up there on the surface.
Right there. Up. Just barely saw it. The camera just barely saw it.
Let's see if we can snipe this buddy. If I can find him again.
So yeah. I see somewhere in this area is where the frog is. In terms of where, I've got no clue.
He was right here. Where did he go?
Maybe you was scared him off.
Probably, because, yeah, he was right here sitting on this spot. Just keep it on, because I know where a bunch of frogs are.
Apparently, it was right there. But I didn't see it. And we kind of did this on the wrong day, because down here in Florida, it's been extremely hot lately.
My seat and my motor is cooking. God, it's hot.
Yep.
That's fine, that's buddy.
And it was probably a bad idea for me to wear my slides.
There's a big old, like 5 or 6 foot snake. That I'm pretty sure we killed. We didn't find him, but we shot him. For show.
And time for another time skip. So, and we're back. See, as you can see, I'm in my golf cart. Well, Levi is going solo because he is flat out determined on getting a frog for y'all. I'm getting a frog for y'all. But it's honestly way too hot. And with absolutely no shade. There's only 2 spots of shade. So yeah, time lapse time. He is going. Except for Nola. In fact, this one might be a fail video unless he actually finds one. Either this go around or next go around. But we were originally just going to just go get something to drink because we were both absolutely thirsty, especially since it is extremely hot. It looks like he may have found something. And yep, he definitely found something. Nice. In terms of what it was, I've got no clue, or if he hit or missed it. But all I know is that he did in fact find something to shoot.
Phoebe over here! Phoebe over here!
And we are back. And right now he is just getting the boat ready for transportation. Because we used the golf cart to bring it back down here as well as to take it back up.
Alright, back up. Come on.
Right. And this is mainly my part here. My part is driving the golf cart.
Are you filming?
Yeah. That's basically all I do, is just drive. Well, he has nuts. So yeah, and so that'll do it for this one.
Please like and subscribe.
Yep. And make sure to leave a comment down below on what y'all think our next one should be. So, peace!